Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents virtual video tour. I'm here today at number 57 Bluestone Lane in Immingham. So just outside the front of the property, and as you can see, ample off-road parking down the side of the property via the concrete driveway with brick border, which leads all the way down to the detached garage. And we've also got a delightful and well-maintained front garden that the owners opted for a mixture of slate and stones with a border around the edging. So lots of off-road parking to the front, beautiful bungalow set on Bluestone Lane. And what we'll do, we'll head into the garden first of all, and then we'll head inside to show you all that the property has to offer. So just before I go into the garden, just to really illustrate the amount of parking that's on offer here, I'll just turn around and show you. And then just passing by the detached garage with electric doors, I'll show a couple angles really of the garden. Again, similar to the front lawn or front garden even, the owners opted for a nice, easy to maintain garden with a mixture of slate and stones. It's a generous sized garden with plenty of scope and potential depending on your gardening needs and what you'd expect from a garden. And you might be able to tell as well that the rear of the property has been extended, which I'll show you in a moment when we head inside. Okay, so we'll head back into the property now. And I'll be able to show you everything that is on offer here. So, entrance via the side, which you're greeted by porchway area, and then you're straight into this wide entrance hallway. So what we'll do, we'll start with the living room first of all. Nice bay window to the front, allowing plenty of natural lighting. It's a good sized room with gas fire, which is part of the feature of this living room. There's also space for a TV over in the corner and the typical furniture that you would expect to see in a living room. Then what we'll do, we'll go into the master bedroom. Excellent sized detached bedroom. Come round, and we've got fitted wardrobes there. This bedroom, which is located towards the rear of the property, looks out into the garden. Again, just looking for the UPVC window, plenty of natural light coming in. But you can see, because there's bungalows that surround or around this property, you're not overlooked by any means. We'll head into bedroom 2. Again, don't be deceived by the fact that there's a single bed in here at the moment. There is space that will fit a double bed should you wish. Freestanding wardrobe space there for, and also just come round, get some more fitted wardrobes just over here. The next room I'll take you into will be the bathroom. It's located at the side of the property. Nice modern 3-piece suite. Wash basin with vanity unit, toilet, and bath with overhead shower. And then last but not least, we'll head into the spacious kitchen diner, which, as I mentioned earlier, has been extended over the years. Plenty of cupboard space, and just through that door is some additional storage. And if I just come around the opposite side, all of this is part of the extension So it creates additional space should you wish to use it as a kitchen diner. Then you've got the UPVC door, which ends out into the garden. So all inquiries can be made by contacting the Immingham branch, and the number to contact us on is 01469 564 294. Alternatively, you can contact us via email, which is immingham@croftsestateagents.co.uk.